some systems get off, or fast an hour behind an hour, or get off some, but I always advise the lead detective on the case what the offset is.
Now, does your training experience as an electronic surveillance technician inform you of the reasons the timestamp may be off on a system like the state's 292 Yankee Alpha or 292 Yankee Delta?
Yes.
What are some of those reasons?
Well, some DVR systems, depending on, say, if the system was unplugged for a long amount of time, or say power outages occurred in the area, the systems go off. Most of those DVR systems have a small battery in them that it's not a rechargeable battery, it's just a battery that's placed in it during manufacturing to help try to keep the time right. But knowing batteries do die over time. So the capacity of that battery to keep up the date and time is affected. Also, with DVR systems, the regular ones that you might have in your house or something, DVRs are pretty much simple computers. The main function of DVRs is to record the video, pretty much it, and that's what most of the capacity of it is toward. So things like date and time, you have to keep up with that yourself. So a lot of people, once it's plugged up, it stays that way. So they don't know. A lot of people don't have the technological know-how to go in and during daylight savings time to spring forward or fall back. And sometimes it's kind of like, the best way to describe it is how, if you're old enough to have had a VCR, a lot of people never programmed the clock on that VCR. It was 12 o'clock forever. It just flashed 12 o'clock. Nobody ever programmed the time. But it's kind of the same principle with a lot of DVRs.
Now, was the timestamp on each of the barbershop camera files, were all those the same?
Yes.
Why?
Because the timestamp is put on to the recordings by the DVR itself.
Now, was that timestamp accurate or was it off?
It was off. It was a little fast.
Approximately how much off was it?
I think it was like 40-something minutes fast.
How did you know?
I looked at my watch when I was there.
Now, do you tell the lead detective when timestamps are off on surveillance footage?
Yes, I do.
Did you inform Detective Tork of the timestamp difference?
Yes, I did.
Now, at this time, the state moves to admit state 292 Yankee Alpha or 292 Yankee Delta for admission. And for the record, these are the 4 cameras from the barbershop footage at 3:30.